Good morning. It is not morning. It is currently Sunday at like 11:30. I wanted to leave here by like 10:30, 10:45, before 11, but here we are. I'm in the bathroom. I'm a little congested today. My allergies kicked off, and I've already taken an allergy pill and a Benadryl. I actually have to go get my prescription allergy pills, which is what makes my allergies worse if I don't have those, and I haven't had them for a few days. But today is going to be some errands, and then I'll probably continue this vlog into tomorrow because I have some places I want to go tomorrow. But I'm going to start looking for some home stuff. I do need to go to Office Depot, pick up our blueprints, go return some Amazon stuff at UPS, and then hit Trader Joe's, Walmart for my prescription, and then I think I'm going to go into Target and maybe the Marshalls that's there by that Target in McKinney. Excuse me. And then tomorrow I think I might head down to Frisco to go and do some things. But light makeup today as in tinted moisturizer, and that's it. And I feel like my face looks a little red and puffy, but very casual outfit today. I'm wearing the Free People dupe camis from Amazon, and then the Free People jumper and some sneakers. But we're going to head out UPS first, Target, Marshalls, Trader Joe's, Walmart on the way home because my prescription won't be ready till later, and Office Depot. I need to do that before Target so I don't forget. And yeah, so that's that. It is very warm today, and I'm not a fan. Very, very warm. But first we're going to head to UPS. And then Office Depot. And hopefully I can remember Office Depot because we need those plans, and they're important. It's like we were just last here in the last vlog, and we're back at the Super Target, and I think I am going to get some storage things, just a couple things for the bathroom, something for our deep freeze, and then look around at some home items because why not? Literally just thinking this morning how I would like to have something like this that I could put all of my skincare on, and I walk through the bathroom aisle, and this is literally perfect. And it's only $15. And then look at all of this clearance stuff. Like this mirror is only $20. I mean, only $10. How cute would this be on like a dresser? I really want to get it. I think I'm gonna put it in my cart for $10. That's like such a steal. And this is why I've been trying to keep myself away from doing like home shopping, because I'm not gonna be like, oh, this is cute for blah, and then by the time we move in I won't like it. But I think the mirror would be cute because I'd like to decorate some type of something in like the guest bathroom and the guest room. And then I want that even for now for my skincare to put something on, because what I have now is just too big for makeup and skincare. So I think what I have now I'm going to use just for makeup and this for skincare. These are the sheets that I want to get for our bed in the new house. This is like the pillow. Then they have the sheets. How cute would these be? I love these, but I don't want to get them yet. And they were on sale a while ago, but they literally have tons of sheet options. But I think I'm going to go with these in the new house with the Casa Luna stuff to go on top of it, because I love that brand. I didn't get that much, but they didn't have that clear bag. So we're heading home. with just a few things. Not too bad. It's also one of my biggest pet peeves is when people don't put their baskets back. And so I literally always put it back.
They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer.
Well, I just went into Marshall's. This is not the best Marshalls by any means. It's definitely not. But I don't know what I'm looking for. I wanted to start buying house stuff, like not home decor. Like I want to do that once we get in or get closer and see how spots are. But I wanted to start buying like doorknobs, mirrors, faucets. And in my mind, I don't know why I thought that Walmart or Marshalls would have that. I need to go to like the consignment like hardware stores, which there's a Floor & Decor right here that I could probably go into, but I know that's expensive and Amazon is so much easier. So I am now going to go to Office Depot to go get the blueprints, and then I'm going to hit Trader Joe's and then go home. I need to look at my list to make sure, but I think that's all I had. Also ran into my friend at Target. I saw her for a few minutes. Yeah, oh, I needed to go to the bank, but I didn't bring what I needed, so. Office Depot next, which I really hate this place because the last 2 times I picked up blueprints, it was a nightmare. So Trader Joe's on a Sunday, not it. And I usually go shopping and stuff like middle of the week, but I didn't want to do this tomorrow. I want to head to Frisco tomorrow. So here we are. And they didn't freaking have my mac and cheese balls. We bought 1 container like maybe a month ago, and I just haven't made my way back over here. And they didn't have any. She said they won't be back until November, and I'm pissed. But I did get a few other things, so I figured that I could share those with you. So I got these, I'm not even gonna try and say it. They were like $2. I'm gonna try those right now because they look really good. And I got some carrots because I saw a TikTok about eating a whole carrot every day and, you know, influenced easily by TikTok. My husband loves these, so yeah, I grabbed them. I don't like them, but. And then I grabbed some coconut milk because freezing this in ice cubes and then putting it in smoothies and stuff helps the consistency. And then I sure as SHIT got 5 bags of the vegetable fried rice because they're so good, and I want to see if I can find some steaks and have steak and fried rice for dinner. But I almost forgot. I think I'm gonna head to Buc-ee's right now and go stop and get something for my husband, see that at work. And then I will head to Walmart, get my prescription, and look at steaks. And we need chocolate chips and a few other things. But I'm gonna try these. These are pretty good. I feel like this is a good sized bag for only $2 compared to like chips. They're gluten free, which I don't care about that, but cheese and peppercorn and rice snacks. These are really good. I'm gonna put my hair up and put my comfy shoes on. And I need to unload everything. Oh, I just unloaded everything, so it's all right here. Minus this box. So I need to put stuff away. And these are gonna go in the deep freeze. And then I'll show you guys me doing that. But I think for now I'm going to let the dogs out, put all this away, and just sit for a minute. I'm tired, and I'm gonna have a little snack and then organize with some of the things that I got. But I just threw my hair up on one of those claw clips that I showed you guys in my last vlog, and I love them. I love having so many, which is why I wanted that cleared basket or clear organization thing from Target, because I wanted to put all my claw clips in one container. But I already have 4 of those for other things, and they just stack so well, so I didn't want to mess that up. And now here I am without one. I did not finish the video yesterday, and now I'm walking through a dark hallway, but I did want to update or show you guys, look at my hair, it's looking crazy. I wanted to show you guys the little tray that I got and how I plan to set my stuff up on it, and then I was gonna rearrange my makeup counter thing. So I was gonna do that, and then the freezer. And then I was planning on ending this video because I did nothing today that I wanted to. I wanted to run more errands today. It's Monday, by the way. Yesterday was Sunday, and I didn't do any of that. But who doesn't love a little organization? So we're gonna do that next because this is driving me nuts. I just have stuff because nothing fits. And this, I love this. I just need to separate it now. And I kind of want to get rid of this. So we're just gonna kind of play with it. Okay, so I don't really, maybe I'll put this. I think I'm actually going to stick this in there because I don't know. I need to play with this more. I'm not sure, and actually I flipped this around the wrong way. But I have like lipsticks and face products, everything that will pretty much stand on its own in there. Brushes, lip liners, and then all of the rest of my products. And then my stuff for my lashes. So, and then I kind of have all of this just separated. I have some other face product stuff that I'm planning on purchasing, so that'll kind of fill this up too. But for now, this is kind of how I have it set. So, doesn't look cute in this bathroom, but in our new bathroom, whenever we get there, it will look super cute. But until then, that's what we're working with. Now I'm gonna go do the deep freeze. And I'm actually really excited for that. That way I can organize the food. I bought the basket, one for ground beef and one for like salmon, fish products. Salmon and shrimp really is all we eat. That's what I'm planning on